What is up, serious gang? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I was playing duos with a subscriber and he kept dying multiple times, so it was up to me to clutch up at the end. And let's just say, I popped off. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I hit him for 12. Oh.
Listen, wait, bro.
Yo. Alright, let's jump on him. Got the wall. Cracked. Dead. Cracked. Oh my god, how did he hit that? I think he's an A, yeah, he's an A. I can never hit AI.
I can't hit my shots.
Another no one below us. I think this guy's a real person.
Are you sure about that?
Or maybe not. 198, 189, 126, 126, cracked on the... Dang, I keep forgetting what skin that is.
Are you serious, my brother?
God, he got beamed. Killed one. Up until this point, everything was going great. We were kicking names and taking butt.
What did he say?
You know what I mean. But then this happened. Got a stare in there. Alright, get out, get out.
I can't believe you've done this.
So I kind of messed up and trapped my teammate with that stare at it, but it's alright because I fixed it, sort of. Oh, there's no way they got it. Knocked one.
Nice.
Damn, bro. 126, knocked one? Oh my goodness. Just try to back me up if you can. I'm feeling.
He's low. Ah, he's hit.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Got him. Haha. Let's go. Get over here. Quick. So somebody set our house on fire, and I thought we were safe.
How's that
we were
hitting
on
you?
the cone,
How's
but
that?
apparently
How's
the
that?
roof was hitting us. That's
How's that
how we
hitting you,
died.
bro? What?
So I had to clutch up. Yo, leave me alone, bro. What? All right. Yo, he perfect naded me. That's crazy. Oh, he just got bodied, bro. Haha.
He's low, bro.
Oh, it's just a suit. Oh, wait, what? Oh, bruh. Where did that kick come from? When in doubt, just build up. Bro, I actually took fall damage from that. Good luck chopping that out, fellas. Wrong buddy. Wrong buddy. Come on, bro. I do this. I do this. Even though I don't play Fortnite, I still do this. Alright. Gotta watch my mask now. Let's go! Let's go! GG's, bro. Get out of my game. GG's. Woo! Let's go, Benji. Oh man, that was intense.